Hey Nick, how was your weekend?
Hey, Sophie. It was really fun. On Saturday, I went to the amusement park with my cousins.
That sounds awesome. What did you do there?
We went on a bunch of rides, roller coasters, the Ferris wheel, and bumper cars. I laughed so much.
I love bumper cars. Were the lines long?
Yeah, a little, but we didn't mind. We had snacks while waiting. I had popcorn and cotton candy.
Yum. Did you play any games?
Yes, I tried one of those ring toss games, and I actually won a small stuffed animal.
No way. I never win those games. You're lucky.
I was surprised too. What about you? Did you do anything fun this weekend?
Yeah. On Sunday, I went hiking with 2 friends. The weather was perfect, sunny but not too hot.
Nice. Where did you go?
We hiked a trail near the lake. It took about 2 hours to get to the top, but the view was amazing.
Sounds peaceful. Did you take pictures?
Of course. I got some great shots of the lake and trees. I'll show you later.
I'd love to see them. Did you guys bring food?
Yes, we had sandwiches and fruit at the top. Then we just relaxed and talked for a while.
That sounds like a perfect Sunday. You love the outdoors, don't you?
I really do. Being in nature helps me feel calm and happy. What about you? Do you prefer active days or relaxing ones?
I like both. A fun day for me can be full of adventure, but sometimes I enjoy just staying in and watching movies too.
Same here. It depends on my mood. But days like this weekend are my favorite. Good weather, good friends, and lots of laughter.
Agreed. We should plan a fun day together soon.
Let's do it. Maybe a picnic or a visit to the zoo?
Great idea. Let's pick a day and make it happen.